5 Ways to Cut Back on Sugar. When cleaning up your diet, one of the most important actions you can take is to cut back on sugar. On its own, our body is able to convert carbohydrates into sugar for energy, so consuming sugar is not necessary. However, tons of snacks that we buy and dishes that we consume, especially desserts, contain added sugars. These added sugars don't supplement our body's energy source, but, instead, it works against it by slowing us down by stacking on empty calories, contributing to various diseases, and putting our hearts at risk. If you are genetically predisposed to a heart disease or anything similar, it's even more of a reason to clean out the extra sugars. However, if you are just looking for a healthier lifestyle, this is one of the first changes you should make, and here's how. 5 Ways to Cut Back on Sugar. 1. Check the sugar count on everything. This may seem like an obvious tip, but it definitely is worth adopting. Make it a habit to check the nutritional label on any and every item that you purchase. Some foods might contain more sugar than you even realize. These hidden sugars can be found in your yogurt, snacks, cereals, and much more. Set an acceptable limit for yourself and make sure nothing you buy exceeds that limit. 2. Swap out processed for natural. A lot of added sugars are found in processed foods. Processed foods encompass pretty much everything that we purchase out of convenience, such as frozen foods, snacks, and much more. If you can opt for a healthier, more natural alternative, you will be doing yourself a huge favor. Instead of reaching for cookies or crackers, try reaching for an apple or grapes. Fruit may have sugars, but these sugars come along with many vitamins and other nutrients. If you are feeling really invested, here are some recipes for clean but sweet snacks that are worth making. 3. Find alternative sweeteners. This tip is slightly harder to incorporate into your daily diet, because it calls for some bigger changes in taste and recipes. When cooking, try to use alternatives to sugar when a recipe calls for sweetener. You can try a simple option such as honey, or you can try something a little fancier such as coconut sugar or agave nectar. Try to slowly ease yourself into using these alternatives and getting accustomed to the taste. It may be hard, but is definitely worth it. 4. Don't go diet. Don't ever go for the foods that say diet on the packages. These foods are notorious for cutting down on calories by adding more sugars. You need to find the best balance for your body when it comes to counting calories and sugar, but adding sugar into your body will physically slow you down as opposed to a good amount of calories, which will give you energy. 5. Cut back slow and steady. Like any extreme diet change, nothing should be put into full effect immediately. The human body does not react well to any drastic change that might throw it off balance, so ease yourself into this new lifestyle. You'll be able to stick with this change for longer, if you take it on slow and steady. If you're looking for a great way to clean up your diet and give your body an added energy boost, cutting back on sugar is the way to go. Let us know how it works for you in the comments down below. For more healthy diet tips, like our Facebook page, follow us on Pinterest, and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube. We'd love to hear what you think of this video, or what you'd like to see on our YouTube. Leave us a comment in the comments section below.